Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master English with Michael. Today, we will talk about hobbies. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Hobbies are fun, and they help us learn new things. Emma, what is your hobby?
Hi, everyone. My favorite hobby is painting. I love to paint pictures of nature, like trees, flowers, and the sky. When I paint, I feel relaxed and happy.
That sounds great. When do you paint?
I usually paint in the evening after work. Sometimes I paint on the weekend, too. What about you? What is your hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar. I like to play songs and sing. Music makes me happy.
That's cool. How often do you play the guitar?
I play the guitar every day for about 1 hour. Sometimes I play music for my friends. We sing songs together.
That sounds fun. Do you feel shy when you play in front of people?
At first, I was shy, but now I enjoy it. When I see people smile, I feel good.
That's great. I think hobbies help people feel more confident.
Yes. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like reading books. I read novels on the weekend. I enjoy stories about adventure and mystery.
That's interesting. A novel is a long story, right?
Yes. For example, Harry Potter is a novel. It has many pages and tells a long story.
I also like reading, but I prefer short books. I read before bed because it helps me relax.
That's a good idea. I also like cooking. I try new recipes every week.
A recipe tells you how to cook something, right?
Yes. For example, when I make a cake, I follow a recipe with sugar, flour, and eggs.
That sounds delicious. Cooking is a great hobby.
Yes, hobbies make life more fun.
Let's talk about some important words from today's podcast. First, we said hobby. A hobby is something you like to do.
For example, painting is my hobby, and playing the guitar is your hobby.
Right? Next, we said paint. When you paint, you make a picture with colors.
Yes, I paint flowers and trees with different colors.
We also talked about relax. To relax means to feel calm and not stressed.
That's right. I relax when I listen to music or read a book.
Another word is shy. If you are shy, you feel nervous in front of people.
Yes. At first you were shy when you played the guitar, but now you feel confident.
Exactly. Confident means you feel sure of yourself.
We also said novel. A novel is a long storybook.
Yes. A novel has many pages, and it takes a long time to read.
And we talked about cooking. To cook means to prepare food.
Right. And a recipe is the instructions for cooking something.
Yes. For example, if I want to make a cake, I follow a recipe with flour, eggs, and sugar.
Now try to talk about your hobby in English. What do you like to do?
Yes. Practice speaking and have fun.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.